The following video is a presentation for the course of Embedded Microprocessor Systems in Technical University of Crete. What we are about to show you is an implementation of a trip estimator for motorcycles, which we have named DiTraMM. A trip estimator is a device that informs you about the status of your motorcycle before or during a trip. In order to inform us though, the estimator needs some measures from the actual motorbike. Since we did not have an actual sensor network, we used an Android application as a server which emulates the central node of our supposed sensor network. Let's start our Android server. We open our Bluetooth and we make it discoverable. We see the indication that the server is up and we choose to send some predefined packages. Our server here has two ways to work. The first one is to send some predefined packages, and the second one is to send some manual packages which was used for test services only. The connection between the server and our estimator is established via Bluetooth. First, let's start by getting an idea of our motorcycle status. To do that, we press the trip menu, and after that we press the examine motor choice. Now let's send one package. And let's press the update button. Here we can see our current fuel, our front air pressure, our rear air pressure, our oil pressure, and our oil status. Now, let's go back and start a new trip. In order to start a trip, we press trip and start. Let's send another package. And press the update button. Since this is our first package for the trip, we will have no distance covered, full fuel tank, no average fuel consumption, and no kilometers left. So here we can see the distance we have covered, our average speed, our fuel remaining, our average fuel consumption, and how many kilometers we have left to travel until our remaining fuel has depleted. The last indicator is an estimation based on our driving behavior. Now let's send another package and update again. Now we can see the updated interface. We can see how much distance we have covered until now, our average speed, all fuel remaining and the percentage that it's remaining in the fuel tank, our average fuel consumption in kilometers per liter, and our kilometers left, which is the previous estimation we talked about. Let's send another package in order to see some of the hazards that may happen in a motorbike. Now we can see some warning signs. These warning signs occur when one of our motorbike's vital parts has a change in value of more than 10%, which means that if our tire pressure, front or rear, our oil pressure or our oil status has dropped for more than 10%. This is a warning that informs us about the trip well-being. Finally, we can see the exit sequence of the system by pressing the exit button.